Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect up to Plen 2 or ViVi 2 depending on whether you got the Japanese or the Chinese kit. I got the Chinese kit because the Japanese kit was not available, but there you have it. Anyway, so far what I've noticed is that the only way that this thing actually connects up to the app is when all the cables are disconnected. And I will show you here right now that sure you want to connect to this robot. You say yes, connecting, and connected. Right, there we go. So it is connected to the robot right now, but of course right now none of the servos are connected, which it's basically useless at this point. Another thing to think about is that it needs a battery to run, and that's at least 4 of the AA, or I think it's the AA batteries. That leads to 4 volts or something. Anyway, going back to this, so I had to make my own battery because the machine did not come with the battery, which is very annoying. Anyway, let's go into trying to put this together and let's see what happens. All right, first of all, we're going to start with, I'm going to use the instruction manual that I made. So we're going to go and use the correct setup because the instructions that you can find online are all incorrect and are for a different board. It's not the same board. So, all right, let's start with the first motor here, and it corresponds to 18. And then we look up on here and find 18. There we go. It took it. It's also important to note that the direction in which these things face is going to make a difference when you set this up. If you face the right side and put the things in this way with those metal things pointing at you, it won't pick it up on this side, and I'm going to demonstrate that. Nothing happens. Take it out, turn it around, and there you have it. Now it's connected. We're going to continue on with the next one up. So we've done the first 2 on the bottom. We got 1, 2, and this is number 3. We already have it there. And this one will go into 16, and it's kind of falling over. One of the problems with this kit is that it's hard to make modifications to it. Like for instance, now that that's happened, I should be able to go into here where it says more options and select 16. There we go. And then tell it to be in a different position, like a more, alright, maybe it did work this time. And then that should do it, and then say home, and hopefully it'll hold on to that position. We'll see what happens if I get out, go back in there. I guess it worked this time. Let's hope it continues to work. Alright. Now that we've done that, we're going to grab the next one up, and that, according to my sheet, is 15. And we will dump it in there and we'll get connected up. There we go. And then the next one up, which is 14. Again, make sure that this is pointing in the correct way. There we go. There's the first problem. And it's causing some problems here. So let me find it. Number 14 on here. Number 14 on here will be this one. And we can tell it to maybe not do that. I don't know. It's not even responding. As you can see there. Something must be wrong with the motherboard because it's not even responding. home, I don't know, sub, add, I don't know what this does. But whatever it's doing, it's just going. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take it out, because I don't want to damage any motors here. So there's one problem there. Okay, in the next video I'm going to continue on with this. Hopefully we can get this all done, but as you can see there was a defective issue there, and I think it's with the motherboard, because I've tried using that motor on a different thing and it works. So see you in the next video.